Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2021 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel-efficient, and safe. A winning combination, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: door edge guards, power brakes, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, tinted glass, cloth upholstery, driver's side airbag. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.